take a look at the product to sum formulas. As you can see, they look very confusing just because of all the alphas and betas and everything, but it's really not that bad. Um, I wouldn't suggest learning these. Just use a formula sheet for these, and that would be fine. The way that we would use these would be, let's say that I wanted to take a product like the sine of 6 theta times the sine of 3 theta, and I want to change that to a sum or difference. So since it's sine times sine, I use this first formula here, that's sine alpha times sine beta. So that means my alpha is 6 theta and my beta is 3 theta. And now I just follow the formula. It's 1/2 times cosine of alpha minus beta, so 6 theta minus 3 theta, minus cosine of alpha plus beta, so 6 theta plus 3 theta. Alright, so that's 1/2 times cosine of 3 theta minus cosine of 9 theta. Alright, and so we just leave our answer like that. We don't have to multiply the 1/2 in, and of course you can't combine these two. Now that we've rewritten them, that's the only time too you can change what you're taking the sine of or cosine of is applying one of these formulas, a double angle formula or a product to sum formula or something like that. So I mean, it is as simple as really as it looks. The only thing that could make these a little more complicated is whenever you work these out, if you have to apply the even or odd property. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's say that I had the sine of 3 theta times the cosine of 6 theta. Alright, so sine, cosine, so I need to use this third formula here, and let's see what that would give me. That's going to be 1/2 times, sine of alpha plus beta, so that's 3 theta plus 6 theta, plus sine of alpha minus beta, so that would be 3 theta minus 6 theta. Alright, so that's equal to 1/2 times sine of 9 theta plus sine of negative 3 theta. And so when we're working these out, if we ever get a negative in here, then you want to apply the even odd property. Alright, so this is 1/2 times sine of 9 theta. And the even odd property for sine, if we have a negative angle measure, we move the negative in front and make the angle measure positive. So that's going to be minus sine of 3 theta.
Why is it,
and then that would be our final answer there.
why is it making